This is a recipe for cold udon. It uses eggplant and tomato, so it's more for like summer. I love eggplant and it's so good. So in the summertime in Japan, it's very humid and super hot. So this is the perfect dish for the kind of summer. The broth it uses is mentyu. Mentyu is soy sauce based with dashi, and it's a kind of dipping sauce. You can use it for a lot of dishes like somen and dipping sauce for tempura. Men means noodle and tsuyu is dipping sauce. This concentrated pre-made sauce is used mainly for like various different kind of noodle dishes. You can make it from scratch, but it's very easy to find in a grocery store. And I think you can find it in an Asian grocery store in the US. If you want to make it from scratch, you can make it with dashi and soy sauce and mirin. But if you use mentyu, you can make udon on a whim. The last time I made udon for a video, it was beef udon and kitsune udon. But this one is different because it is for summer udon. So this one is different because it's not served hot and uses different ingredients like summer vegetable. Like yakisoba, you can experiment with it. Maybe you can make Italian udon. I've seen carbonara udon before. Udon is like a blank canvas, so experiment with it. And experiment with your favorite flavors and ingredients and make your own udon.